So the goal of this video is to provide you with realistic expectations of what ceramic coating is and what it is not. Giving you the right information will help you make a better decision. So let's talk paint protection, because I think it's important that you understand where ceramic coating falls in the line of options of paint protection. First off, you have carnauba wax. Carnauba is usually going to last you somewhere between like 2 to 3 months. It's probably going to be your least durable option on the market. Next up would be a polymer paint sealant. The word paint sealant usually is referring to a polymer. These are usually going to last you between 6 to 12 months. And it used to be the most durable thing on the market for a long period of time. But then comes along ceramic coating. Ceramic coating came on the market and kind of took the industry by storm. It is your most durable coat of protection that you can apply to your paint, and not only the most durable, but the hardest coat of protection that you can put on your paint too as well. It's usually going to last you somewhere between 1 to 5 years, depending on what type of coating that you choose to apply to your paint. So why should you choose Xtreme Detailing for your ceramic coating? We have been installing ceramic coating for roughly over 10 years now, long before ceramic coating became the popular option for paint protection. Back when it was just the car enthusiasts who were interested in it, the guys with the Porsches and the Lamborghinis. Now it's crossed into Becky with a Toyota Corolla and 2 kids is even interested in ceramic coating now, mostly because they want it for the ease of maintenance throughout the years. So what is ceramic coating? Well, first off, let's talk about a specific type of ceramic coating, which is SiO2. SiO2 is silicone dioxide, which is one of the most widely used ceramic coatings on the market. A ceramic coating is usually somewhere between 4H to a 9H hardness. So what does that even mean? Well, the H is referring to pencil hardness. So if you have a coating that's somewhere near like 4H, that is a little on the softer side. If you have a coating that's about 9H, then it's a lot harder. It's one of your hardest coatings on the market. So if you have a coating that is 9H, that means that you can take a pencil and write on that surface and it wouldn't scratch the clear coat. Here at Xtreme Detailing, we offer a 5H to a 9H ceramic coating. So now that we talked about some of the science behind ceramic coatings, let me just give you my explanation of what a ceramic coating is. Ceramic coating is basically just wax on steroids. And I don't mean that it's equivalent to wax. I just mean it is the same concept of why you would wax your car. Instead, you're just going to ceramic coat it. It's much more durable and lasts twice as long. It also will prevent against those micro marring and scratches that you would put in from normal car washing. It will also cause the water to bead and make it much easier to remove bug residue as well as bird droppings. So now that you understand a little bit about the basics of ceramic coating, let's talk about some of the myths. I think one of the #1 myths is that I will never have to wash my car again. Yes, you have to wash your car again, but this will make it much easier to wash and maintain. The next myth is that coatings are permanent. They will never wear off. No, coatings are not permanent. Everything has an expiration date, and coatings do as well. They all wear off, but they can range anywhere between 1 year to upwards of 5 years. Myth number 3 is that I don't want to get a coating because it's just going to peel off a couple years down the road. Your coating will not peel. See, you're thinking of it in the sense of it being a base clear coat, like a paint job where the clear coat just peels off. That's not the case. This is a liquid application, almost like a wax, but it will just wear off over time, a few years down the road, and it'll be time to get it reapplied again. Myth number 4 is my coating scratch proof? No, your coating is not scratch proof. Now, it will resist some of the micro marring induced by improper washing techniques, but too much elbow grease or your crazy ex-girlfriend or boyfriend coming by and keying your vehicle, it will not protect you against that. And the final myth of the day is my coating will protect against rock chips. I can just do whatever I want. 360 donuts, burnouts, nothing's gonna chip my paint. No, your coating will not protect against rock chips. The only thing that will protect your paint from rock chips is paint protection film, which everybody calls PPF. So again, ceramic coating is like wax on steroids. It's going to protect your paint for a long time, and more importantly, it's going to make maintaining your vehicle much easier over the years. So let's talk process. There's a lot that we have to do to prepare your paint for the ceramic coating. So one of the first steps in decontaminating that paint is to simply wash the vehicle. Knock off any type of loose debris that may be sitting up on the paint. Following that wash, we're going to do a deironizing process to make sure that we get all of the iron deposits that may be embedded on the surface of that clear coat. Following that, we're going to do a clay barring process. We're going to spray a lubricant across the paint, and then that enables the clay to just slide along that clear coat and pull those contaminants off of that surface. Then following that clay process, we're going to wash the vehicle one more time just to make sure any loose debris have been removed. Following the wash, we're going to start the polishing process. Now when we start polishing the paint for this package, we're just polishing to enhance the shine and kind of minimize some of those micro scratches or light spiderweb scratches, but we're not there to take out your deeper scratches. Deeper scratches, we would have to go into like a paint correction process, which we would charge additional for. But with this, we'll just do a nice light polish to enhance that shine and remove some of the minor imperfections, and then we'll start the coating process. So if you're interested in ceramic coating your car, please call or come by, bring your vehicle. We can do a little free consultation, walk around the vehicle and help educate you on what type of shape your paint is in and let you know what process will need to take place prior to applying the coating, and then quote you with a price and hopefully get you on our schedule. But the choice is yours, because I'm not trying to sell you anything here. We don't sell our customers, we educate them. And the education will sell itself. But either way, remember this. If you want it to be clean, take it to the extreme.